What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be doing my next mod. I'm actually going to be taking it to a garage purely because of time constraint. I'm not going to be able to fit it myself, but I'm going to be videoing the people fitting it for me. I've been waiting for this mod for God knows how long now. It's been over a month and I've finally taken delivery of it, and I've got my side skirts to be done as well, so I'm going to kill two birds in one stone and get both of them fitted today. If you're wondering why I'm inside, yes, it is sunny outside, but I went to get the camera from my car and it started chucking it down. So I'm pretty sure it's stopped now, so I'm going to start making a move. Those of you, obviously, who follow me on Instagram already know what it is. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you hit the link below and click that follow button, because I'm going to be, showcasing my next few mods on Instagram because they're going to be very small. And I don't think I can make a tutorial out of it. But I am going to be posting, other type of videos on YouTube, slightly different to what I've been doing so far. Got a couple of ideas, they just need to materialise now. And also don't forget to check out my new car group, Section 59. We're always posting on that channel, trying to get, new type of content for you guys to keep it interesting. Something different from, most car groups. So yeah, make sure you check them out in the link below, and let's get into it. This is my next mod. So I've got myself a new rear diffuser. As you can see, it's already been unboxed. I was too excited. I came home and saw a massive parcel, knew immediately what it was. So yeah, this is my new diffuser. It's in matte black. And the reason I didn't want it in gloss black is because I already got the front splitter in matte black, and I decided to get the side skirts too, which are currently in my car as they fell off because of the tape. I didn't screw it in, and that's why I'm going to get them screwed in today with this diffuser. So yeah, let's get going. Hey guys, we're back at the house. Again, it started, spitting here and there, but job is done. Fortunately, I wasn't able to, get you like commentary and more of a tutorial of how to do it and fit it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little montage. It absolutely transformed the car. Like, the rear end is now complete, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Like, when I unboxed it, the paint job wasn't the best. It's a very matte finish, kind of dull, but we parked up, we took a couple of pictures, which will all be on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out. Where do we go next? Pretty much the whole of the exterior is done, and I've got very few bits and bobs to do, which I'll be doing over on my Instagram, mainly because they're very small stuff to do. I'm going to start moving on to the interior mods next. And there's not much to do in the interior, bits of carbon here and there. Other than that, probably yes, steering wheel. I've been looking at Royal steering wheels, something like that. Is it Royal? Yeah, something like that. Anyway, they do some really nice retrim steering wheels, so I'll be looking to. I've actually gone and seen a couple, so I'll be putting in an order fairly quickly. Most likely an Alcantara wheel with like a red stitching at the 12 o'clock mark. So yeah, something like that, and then early next year hoping to go stage 1, so, or who knows, might as well just go all the way and go stage 2. Get a new charge pipe, intercooler, downpipe, and yeah, just bang on the boot mode, or MHD. A couple of people have been telling me both really, so haven't decided yet, but obviously January to March the weather's not the greatest, So I don't want to be, going stage 2 and, putting my foot down and spinning off the road. So we'll have to see nearer the time. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and there's going to be more content on its way very soon. See you later.